Clovis here with UNAS Technology LLC. Today we're going to talk about type of loops. There are many type of loops, but the most known are while loop, for loop, and do while loop. So this is some of the example of those loops. The first one is a while loop. So a while loop, you need an index that you're gonna check a condition with it, while this index has to be incremented inside the loop, inside the scope of the loop. So this is the syntax. You write while, you put the condition, and then you add a scope, which is in between accolades, and anything you have to be repeated, you have to put inside the scope of the loop. And even the incrementation is like adding one or adding more value. So we talked about this in the past lesson. So we started with 0, then we're adding 1, and then we print this one, and we're adding 1 to the index, and then we're gonna go back on the top, check if 1 is still less than 5. If it is, we go again, we redo again the operation until index is gonna be 5. So, and then this condition, it won't match anymore because 5, it won't be lesser than 5. Then it's gonna go to the next one. So we put just some print line statement here to show where each type of those loop are starting. So we say here while it has started, it means while loop. The same one with for loops. For loop and while loop does the same thing. So the difference is this one and the declaration of the index and its incrementation and the condition are all in the same line. So like here we'll give the variable name x instead of index, but it does the same way. So do while loop is like similar. So but the difference between do while loop and for loops, it does first at least one time, then it check the condition. If it's still matching the condition, then it's gonna keep doing it. But let's say if we had like this, y it has to be greater than 5, it won't happen. So let's run and then see what's happening. So you see here, this is the while loop, this is the result of for loop. For loop and while loop has more value, more prints output printed on the screen, but do while loop has just 1, because while here y is equal to 0 and then y is not greater than 5, so it's gonna do just this one, and even if it's incremented, it became 1 is not greater than 5. That's it. Have a nice day.